Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add gradient color to a button in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have simply added a button wizard in the section. Right now, what we want to do is we want to change the gradient color of this button. Right, we want to change the button color and like to gradient. So for editing the button, you just need to move your cursor over the button and you will find a pen icon in the top right corner. You can simply click on that, and in the left side toolbar you will find content setting, style setting and advanced setting. You just need to move to the style setting, and in the style setting, when you scroll down, you will find the background type, whether you can select classic or gradient. Here you need to select the gradient as a background type, and when you scroll down you will find two options, the color one option and the second color option. You can simply change the color one. For example, I just want color one to be aqua blue and the second color I want to be red. So I can simply select the color from the color palette. So this is how you can add gradient color to a button in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.